What's going on, everyone? It's MotoMiracle. In today's video, I'm going to show you all how to wash your motorcycle the fun and easy way with the Chemical Guys Torq Snow Foam Blaster R1, and then I'll give you all my first impressions once she's all clean and looking good. Anyways, let's go with the intro and let's check out this video. Oh man, so good. What's good, y'all? If you're new to my channel, I'm just traumatic brain injury survivor with a second chance at life. I want to share my journey too through my eyes. Alright, today we are doing the Snow Foam Blaster R1. Show y'all how amazing it is. How basically you're never gonna have to scratch your bike again when you wash your bike with all, you know, all that dirt and everything. So in the description, obviously I'm gonna put like step by step and let y'all know. You know, if you want to skip ahead or anything like that, then definitely that will be in the description. So all right, let's kind of go step by step and let's get this done. So obviously the first thing that I'm going to tell y'all is that I'm going to show you all the pieces, what's in here, all that stuff, you know, how to actually use it, because it's not just, you know, plug in and go. You got to put like hot water and stuff like that. It's very simple. All right, so let's open this box. So inside you've got the top of the gun, the barrel per se. Let's say it's the barrel. You got the little gun over here, you know, the hose, which obviously I don't know, so open it, close it to make sure it stays tight, you know. And the last thing out here, put this over here for now. You got this little kit, you put a little here, a little, you know, you're gonna put this onto here, you know, and then this is gonna go into here, all that good stuff. So obviously I'm gonna do it while I show y'all these tips right here. That's for for the pressure of your the hose. This is obviously, this is normal. Most recommended is right here, the blue one. Then this is the one for like less pressure, and this is for more pressure for your tire, for your hose and all that stuff. Some people don't use it because some people, you know, you actually get the most suds when you don't use it. But it's highly recommended to, at least for the first time, to use the blue tip to make sure, you know, it flows like normally and all that good stuff. And the problem a lot of people do with a lot of people, they don't know where to put this little tip. All right, this tip obviously it's gonna go under here, right here. All right, so just so y'all know, push that in there and now we're good. And then we're gonna get the tube right here, stick the tube up here, stick the tube in here, and then we're gonna put it back in here. Then we're gravy, baby. All right, so first thing you want to do is you're gonna want to put 2 to 3 ounces, you know, so it's like 3 shots of here. But any type of car wash, anything, you know. I'm gonna buy the Chemical Guys next time, but this is what I have right now. I'm figuring I'll just use this for now. About 2 ounces. Let's do one more for show. The next thing you do is you have to get hot water. So you get some hot water. So you got some hot water over here. That's what you want to put in here. So when you put the hot water in here, and like I said, this is actually for a car. Like this size is for a car. So if you're on the bike, for your bike, you don't have to fill it up all the way. You can fill like half the way. So put 1 shot or 2 shots, 2 like ounces, whatever. I'm just gonna fill up the whole thing just to make sure. Don't stir at all, because you want to do less foam on here, because it's gonna work best if it's less foamy, you know. Because the foam's gonna go through the gun after, you know, so it'll be a lot easier. So you want to just stir a little, not a lot, just stir a little. Just stir it a little. All right. And we'll put this aside for now, you know. That's all you need. Like that's how quick it is, quick and simple. So put this over here for now, put this down over here for now. All right, so I'm gonna tell you real quick, there are 2 different ways to wash this bike. All right, the thing is, there's the longer way, which is a 2 bucket method, and then there's the simple way. Basically it's like, right now you can tell, I mean, I'm gonna take the Memphis shades off because I'm not 100% sure if I'm allowed to use that, the Rain Max, stuff like that. So I'm gonna take that off, take the bags off. If y'all know if I'm allowed to use that, the Memphis shades on the car wash, please let me know, put it down in the description. I'm doing it the quick way because obviously she's not that dirty. You can tell she's a little dusty, but not like dirty. If it's really dirty, muddy, then it's gonna be easier to do the 2 bucket method, which is basically like the normal car wash you normally do. So basically, you know, spray her down, use the Chemical Guys, and then use the normal bucket that you have over here, you know, like the normal way. But the thing is, let the suds sit for a little, because the suds from the Chemical Guys, it's gonna deteriorate all this, like the crap, all that like all the grime, all the stuff, like all the stuff that's all gonna be all stuck up here, stuck in up here, everything stuck up in here. Like, so basically it's like, you know how when you wash your bike, it's always like, you feel like it's always streaky over here and there's always like a scratch and whatever. It's because of the, like, all that the dirt. But with the chemical guys, with all the foam, that shouldn't happen. You should not have to worry about that anymore. Spray, then foam gun, and then you're going to use this with another, you know, your normal way you wash your bike. Spray down, and then, you know, take this off and then spray with this. And then, you know, if you have you need a microfiber towel for the tires, and then for the bike. So you have two of those. But I'm gonna do something a little different today. I'm gonna actually use the leaf blower to see if it dries off the bike a little quicker, so we'll see. But today I'm not gonna be doing this way. I'm gonna do the easier way, which is basically just spray her down with this, and then use this, the chemical guys snow foam blaster, and wipe her down again, and then leaf blow her.
So what we're gonna do is grab this and attach this to this. So when you get this, you gotta pull it out. See, like, pull it so it don't get stuck in there. So it's that easy. The Chemical Guys snow foam blaster, the foam, basically what it does is deteriorating all the dirt, grease, all that good stuff, all that, you know. And so you don't have to worry about all the scratching, all that. So that's a good thing, you know. Now you can just wash the bike for the quick and easy way, you know. So now once you wash it, it's gonna be done, and you'll see right there how clean this bike will be. So she's all clean, looking good. So now we're gonna use a leaf blower and dry this baby off. Now she's all done. Sorry about the noise, there's a lot of cars coming by right now, you know. Let's look at the this beauty right now. Definitely love the Chemical Guys Snow Foam Blaster R1. It's amazing. it definitely takes out all the dirt and everything. So I mean, the bike is not, as you can tell, there's no scratches at all. That's one of the positive things about it, and it makes it a lot easier to wash the bike instead of you know having to push a million times, you know, push, scratch, whatever. Instead, you can spray it. Even if you use the, you know, the bucket, even if you use the bucket, you know, it's gonna, you won't have to push as hard in all the crevices and all that stuff. So it's really easy though. Come on guys, nice job, molto bene, very good. I highly recommend it if you want to wash your bike, your car, your snowmobile, your whatever you want to wash with. It's definitely worth it, definitely worth the price, definitely. And once again, if you guys know, for washing my bike, you know, with the Memphis shades and, you know, everything like that, if you let me know, am I allowed to wash the bike with, you know, with this or with any normal car wash, you know what I'm saying, or do I have to use a certain brand? Memphis shades, if you know, comment down below. Please let me know what's going on, because it's definitely gonna be a lot easier if I just keep the Memphis shades on and all the bags on. Well, I'll probably take the bags off no matter what, because I'll clean the bags by himself, you know, because I gotta clean all the crevices that are all, you know, all in here, cleaning all this part. She looks good though without everything on when she's naked. Anyways, that was a Chemical Guys Torq Snow Foam Blaster R1 right here. Like I said, I give it a 10 out of 10 cannolis, you know what I'm saying? If you have any comments, anything you want to learn or anything else you want to know, please comment down below. I will definitely answer all y'all questions. I'm just amazed how amazing that was the quickest way to clean this bike. Like, look, she's so clean now, and she's so clean now, and I have to, you know, do all the hard work. The foam literally did all the work. And like I said, also, it was definitely, you know, if you like Fortnite, you like Call of Duty, all that good stuff right there, instead of washing your bike, have fun with it. You know, it's like a first shooting right there. It was so much fun, definitely. You know, bring your kids, have your kids do it. It was so much fun. But anyways, this is gonna be the end of the video though. So if you like this video, then please press that like button. If you want to show some love for this channel, then please press that subscribe button if you've not already subscribed. And please press that bell icon for future notifications. Till next time, y'all, ride safe, spread those positive vibes, never give up. It's MotoMiracle, and I'm out of here.